Hello everyone, now we are going to discuss question number 3 of exercise 14.1. So first of all, just read out the question. It says you have to draw a circle and then you have to draw any two of its diameters, and then what you need to do, you have to join the end points of these diameters, right? Now you have to check what is the figure obtained. So we will first of all solve till now. Okay, now the first step is what? We have to draw any circle. Just check, there are two cases, so we will solve this question in two parts. So this is, I am going to discuss case 1, right? So case 1 is I have to draw any circle. So I have taken randomly any radius, I have opened my compass with any length, and I am going to draw a circle here, right? So here it was the center of the circle O. Now what we need to do, we have to draw any of the two diameters of this circle. I hope you remember what is the diameter. Diameter is the chord of the circle passing through the center of the circle. So I have drawn the first diameter and I have given it name AB. Now I will draw the next diameter. Anywhere I can draw the diameter. Make sure it passes through the center of the circle, right? Now let the name of this diameter be CD. Now what we need to do? Now we have to join the end points of these diameters, right? So for your convenience, I am going to mark the end points of the diameters with the sketch pen, but you need not to use sketch pen, you have to use the pencil only, right? So here A and B, these are the two end points. C and D, these are the two another endpoints of the another diameter, right? Now what we need to do, we have to join these endpoints of the diameter. So I am going to join. So after joining, just read out the question what it is asked. Which figure is obtained so just check what type of figure it is. So as we have done the quadrilaterals also, you can check this is what? This is a quadrilateral. And can anybody tell me what type of quadrilateral it is? For your convenience, I am going to draw it with red sketch, but you have to use pencil only. So can you compare it with a rectangle? You can check. And how we will check that whether it is a rectangle or not? As you know the property of rectangle, that all the angles in a rectangle are of 90 degree, right? So just check here. We will check it with the protractor. So let's measure the angle C now. I have put it my protractor here. This is how you measure the angle. So you can check here the angle C here is of 90 degree, right? Now let's measure the angle CB also. So this is also of 90 degree, right? Now we'll measure the angle D like this also, or you can rotate your notebook as well. This is how you can measure the angle D. So just check, angle D is also 90 degree, and measure the angle A. Angle A is also 90 degree. So after measuring the angles, you find out that all the angles are of 90 degree. It means that ABCD is a quadrilateral, right? ABCD is a quadrilateral, and what type of quadrilateral it is? It is a rectangle. So it is also asked in the question that how will you check? So we can write it here. We have to write actually. We can check by measuring all the sides and angles of the quadrilateral. We have measured the sides of this quadrilateral also, and we got that all the sides are not equal, but the opposite sides are equal here. So this BC, you can check, it is 5.4, and again AD is also 5.4, right? And you can measure the side BD, this is 2 centimeter, and the measured side AC is also 2 centimeter, right? sorry, it is 2.5 centimeter. So ABCD AC, actually it is the quadrilateral ACBD. So quadrilateral ACBD is a rectangle, and we have measured that all its angles are of 90 degree. Now for case 2, again what will we do? We will again draw a circle, and now in this time we have to do one thing with the diameters. The two diameters which we have drawn earlier also, these two diameters should be of 90 degree. They should be perpendicular to each other. So let's draw the diameters. I'm going to draw a vertical diameter, and I am going to draw a horizontal diameter. You can take help of protractor also to draw the vertical diameter here at the center, right? So here I have to draw the, otherwise you can have a rough idea of perpendicular lines. So one vertical line and one horizontal line. Significantly, this will give you the two perpendicular diameters here. This is the case 2 we are discussing of question number 3. So AB and CD, these are the two diagonals, these are the two diameters of the circle, and these two diameters, knowingly we have drawn them perpendicular to each other, right? So the next part was what figure is obtained if the diameter are perpendicular to each other, right? So again what we need to do, we have to join the endpoints of the diameter. So here A, C, B and D, these are the two endpoints of the diameter. So we are going to join these points. So again you can see we have got a quadrilateral. This is a four-sided closed figure. So this is again a quadrilateral. So again we can measure all its sides and angles. So just check here again. We have measured angle A 90 degree, angle C is also 90 degree, angle B like this you can measure, right? So again check, angle B is also of 90 degree and angle D is again of 90 degree, right? So now we have to check its sides also. So just check, the length of side AC is what? It is 4.5 centimeter. You can get any length, but check, we are going to get the same length here. Again here it is 4.5 centimeter, BD is also 4.5 centimeter and AD is also 4.5 centimeter, right? So it means that this is ABCD, this is what? This is a square, because it is having all sides equal and all angles are also of 90 degree. Therefore ABCD is a, this is ACBD, right? So you will write down ACBD is a square. And why it is a square? Because all sides are equal and all angles are right angles here. So quadrilateral in which all angles are right angles and all sides are equal, that will become a square, right? So you have to write down these two answers also. So this was all about question number 3 of exercise 14.1. Thank you and have a nice day.